How to turn on or turn off high contrast fonts shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Vision Enhancement. After click on Vision Enhancement, you will see high contrast fonts is here. Click on high contrast fonts if you want to turn on high contrast font shortcuts. If you want to turn on high contrast shortcuts, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see high contrast font shortcut is turned on. If you want to turn off high contrast font shortcuts, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see high contrast font shortcut is turned off. You will turn on or turn off high contrast font shortcuts from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off high contrast fonts shortcut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.